Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today I'm going to show you our Storytime craft for the wee little piggy. So the items you will need that are provided in your kit include one pink pipe cleaner cut in half. You'll just need the one half. You should have two little piggy feet made out of pink paper. You should have two little white eyeballs and two pointy piggy ears with pink paper as well. Finally, you should have one pink paper plate, and items that I recommend you have at home to make this craft work include stick glue, scissors, just in case, and markers or crayons. So the first thing we're going to do is, oh, I'm missing a piece. Actually, we need a nose for our piggy, a little snout. Let me grab that. Here we go. This is what the snout should look like. Just a nice big oval. So the first thing I'd like to do is figure out where I want my tail to be, because this little hole that's punched in here is going to be where the tail goes. So I'm going to start by attaching the tail. I'm just going to thread it through the back here and fold it over and twist it around itself a little bit so that it stays secure. I'm going to twist the small end all the way around the big end so that we don't have any extra pokey parts. And there we go, the tail is attached. Now piggies don't have straight stick tails, do they? No, they have curly tails. So I'm going to use my littlest finger, and I'm going to start at the very end and wrap it around my finger. And then when I take my finger out, we've got a cute little curly piggy tail. So we've got our tail all set and ready to go. I think next I would like to do my little piggy's feet. So I'm going to take my glue stick and put it on the back, the white side of my plate. I'm going to put two little rectangles of my glue. So I'm going to put one right next to the tail and one a little bit further away. And I love this purple glue because you can see where you're gluing. Perfect. And now I will just stick my little piggy feet right on. So I've got my piggy feet glued on. Looking good so far. Let's do his ears next. How many ears does a piggy have? Does he have one ear? No, he has two. So we'll grab both of our ears and set them aside. And we're going to go to the opposite side of where the feet are. So we'll just kind of draw an imaginary line with our brains from the foot, boop, 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 all the way up to where we want the ear to be. Do the same thing on the other side. Boop, 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 boop. Put some glue for the ear. Awesome. Remember to put the cap back on your glue once you're done using it. We're going to use it again, but it's always good to practice putting the cap back on so that you remember not to let it dry out. And we're going to stick onto the white side the ears just at the big part of the triangle. The big part of the triangle is the part that we want to glue down, because when we flip it around, then the little pointy parts of the triangle that are the ears can stick up. And I'm going to fold mine over just a little bit at the very tippy top to make it look like cute little floppy pig ears. Pretty cute, right? Awesome. What is this pig missing? Let's do the snout. So here's our snout. Here's the piece that I forgot. And we're going to put the glue on the snout this time instead of on the paper plate. So I'm going to set my paper plate down and put a little bit of glue in a big oval all over my snout like this. And then I'm going to stick the snout in the bottom half of the paper plate like this. And glue it right on. Give it lots of pressure when you're pressing on it, or you can be gentle and kind of rub it, and that's a good way to let your piggy know that you love it while you're putting it together. Our last bit of gluing, we're going to put the eyeballs on. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the snout, where we put the glue directly on the eyeballs, right on the backs. Do a little dot of glue on one eyeball, and a dot of glue on the other eyeball. Make sure you don't accidentally glue your eyeballs to the table because that can get sticky and messy. So we've got our glue side, and we're going to stick the glue side to the pink side of the paper plate and press it on. Remember to press gently for these ones because you don't want to poke a piggy in the eye. That's not very nice, is it? That's okay. We're just making him still. He doesn't even have the pupils to his eye yet. So we're going to add that all in now. We've got our 2 eyes, our 1 snout, our 1 curly tail, 2 piggy feet, and 2 cute little piggy ears. And now we just need to draw the rest of his face on. So I'm going to set my guide down and pull out, I think I want my piggy to have brown eyes. So I'm going to use a brown marker. You guys can use whatever color you like to create your piggy just how you like it. And I'm doing a couple little curves and a couple more curves to make an arc. And I'm going to color in between the 2 curves. I'm coloring quickly here, but you can feel free to take your time and make it as fancy or as colorful as you like. So there's his big brown eyes, and then we need, like I said, the pupils. The pupil is the part of your eye that's in the middle that looks black or dark. So we're going to get our black marker, and we're going to color in that little bitty half circle that's left over. Awesome! Look at how cute our little piggy eyes are. And I'm going to give our piggy some nostrils to breathe out of. So I'm going to draw a couple of little ovals right on the snout. Oh, look at how cute. Now what are we missing? What do piggies need to eat with? A mouth! That's right. So I'm going to draw right below the snout a little smiley face. Now my marker doesn't like to draw on this paper plate very much, so it's not showing up a whole lot, but if you use a crayon, that might work a little bit better. So here we have our super cute, super fun piggy. You can add any other details you want. You can use a marker to add some mud to your piggy, make a dirty, messy, muddy piggy. You can, I'm going to do some eyelashes on my piggy, I think. Just add some to the side there. They don't have to be very big. There we go. Awesome. So that is how you make the wee piggy from Miss Lisa's Storytime. I hope you all had fun crafting along with us, and I hope you have a great day.